Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, apple. This is my apple. Second line, yesterday. Sachin come here yesterday. Third line, mad. Your brothers made a noise. Fourth line, every. She had tea every morning. Fifth line, change. He has changed a lot. Sixth line, nervous. He has got on my nervous. Seventh line, cash. I do not have any cash. Eighth line, lend. Can you lend me 100 rupees? Ninth line, mend. Mend your ways. Tenth line, come what may.